Hey everybody, look at the Starchild. One of the reasons why I am where I'm at and what I do. Happy El segment in the building. Namaste, Ashe to everyone out there who's understanding a higher quality of learning and actually is willing to take a chance and step outside of the box that you are currently in to understand a different format of learning thyself through the mentals and the understanding of the physical body as well as the psychology of the brain itself. So I was kind of stopped yesterday because we was talking about energy. Energy can be destroyed. Energy cannot be energy cannot be destroyed. It can be manipulated and transferred. It cannot be something else as well. And the frequencies that you ride on has a lot to do with how you allow yourself to actually move in life. Whether it's the music you listen to, whether it's the people around you, whether it's your family members, friends, or foes, the energy that they bring to the table has a lot to do with the vibrations that you can leave away from the table with. So please be careful of your energy. It's very vital that you understand that your auric field is being attacked. This is more so of a soul survival quest for everyone, and your soul is up for grabs. That's why so much turmoil right now here on Earth. So I want to come in real quick and tell you exactly what this lifestyle can do for you. This lifestyle alone can actually help you. Scoot down a little bit. This actually can help you get in tune with your body more. Understand the brain psychology of the conscious, the superconscious, and the subconscious. This actually can help you maintain a better weight position when it comes to your health. It actually can open up new avenues of channeling different energies to your intuition to help you raise your vibrations on this earth and get to where you want to be. So Reiki healing, Tai Chi, Qigong, crystal healing, numerology, natal charts, tarot card readings, shadow work is so many things that is not even said that you can do in order to advance who you are. So please see that step to the side. That reads, believe you can and you're halfway there. I'm not only halfway there, I don't even think I'm halfway there. But what I do know is I'm on a good start. I'm on a way to actually understand what's really happening. My timer not only has kicked off, but it feels like I'm going crazy. Boop, 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 boop. Like I got a lot of shit to say. I have learned a lot. It's been 4 years since I've been learning this knowledge. And it's been like a year and some change since I stepped out on my own reconnaissance and understanding. And I'm bringing the light to you, the enlightenment to you, as well as the understanding that this work, this spiritual journey, is the only thing that was actually gifted to you. You signed up for this opportunity to come here to Earth. You knew exactly what you came here for. The trauma that we have been through at a very early age has stagnated the spiritual growth of our being. So if you really want to know more, hit me up, Happy El Sekhmet, Sekhmet, on YouTube. Please subscribe, quit being a hater, do what it do. Step outside your thinking tank and step into your own thinking tank. Step outside somebody else's thinking tank and step into your own thinking tank. And I can help you do that. So please subscribe to my channel, The Original Happy, on IG. I don't even know how I made another page on Facebook, but Facebook's actually made it for me. So I'm going to send out some more requests for you all to like my pages. I finally got my book done. It's a lot going on. It just ain't no money. But I'm going to make that happen and make sure that our youth know that it's a better way as well as a more spiritual way of doing things besides man-made laws that tell us what to do. So again, y'all, peace, love, and energy. I appreciate everyone thus far, and let's thank the celestial beings. Let's thank our ancestors. Let's thank our higher selves right now for joining this conversation. I hate to go, but I got to. 2 fingers.